Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho. Coach Nabi uxoshiwe uKaizer Chiefs bafethu, but-ke ngifuna ukufocusa ku-record lakhe, hhayi irecord lakhe liphuwa liphuwa ngenye indlela. Udlala amagame awu-35 kuKaizer Chiefs overall bafethu, wawina amagame awu-12, washawa kawu-14, wadrawa kawu-9. I-team under yena i-team ikora amagoli awu-39, yakorwa amagoli awu-42. Imagine, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyingadlali nje kahle nje under uCoach Nabi on average, because ushawa kawu-14, udrawa kawu-9, amameshi kusho ukuthi nje amameshi out of ilokhu njani, out of amameshi awu-35, yena uwina amameshi awu-12 nje kuphela. Hhayi, yeah, but-ke uCoach Nabi, it's the end of the journey for him. Well, another dream shattered obviously because of kumele manje baqale mhlampe ukubheka enye i-coach overall, but-ke bathe ngeke bayibheke i-coach, bapromote officially-ke manje ama-co-coaches la ama-assistant coach afike no-Coach Nabi, nawo yiwo sewazobamba iy'ntambo uKaizer Chiefs. Well, it's not the worst record maybe in history of ibhola, but I mean, when you look at this record, you see which, okay, Coach Nabi was not well equipped to coach Kaizer Chiefs. But the coolest thing into ayenzile ukuthi ukwazile ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup, maybe-ke i-journey yakhe isave i-Nedbank Cup, that is why akwazile ukubuya noma i-season iqala. But yeah, uCoach Nabi ne-journey yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu be-complicated, especially seyiphakathi ne-season, because Kaizer Chiefs ngathi ibonile. I think there was a time like Kaizer Chiefs bathi ayisithola ucoach o-wrong ngempela-ke la, kuba nama-internal discussions ukuthi is he the right man for the job, because of number one, ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs bawangam-understand uCoach Nabi bafethu. Masibukela ama-interviews, even noSamkelo Zwane bebekhuluma bathi hayi kunzima ukuthi ba-understand ucoach. Bonke, I think I've had like 3 if not 4 Kaizer Chiefs players bathi asim-understand ucoach. So there's that division, kuyagijinywa, kuyathethwa, yonke leyo nto leyo. So akaze abuilda i-philosophy noma i-structure esi-right ukuthi ama-Kaizer Chiefs players akwazi ukuphumelela noma ukubringa in ama-results laphana ethimini. But-ke under uCoach Nabi, I mean, bekune-hope, bekube ne-excitement laphana eNaturena mayefika bathi uye umuntu ozobhilda izinto, because une-continental experience. But guess what, instead of to abhilde, ubhidlizile. But yazi makucrasha everything, but kube nento eyodwa vele ithi gqu iye phezulu, Nedbank Cup, I think imenzele ey'bukwayo ngempela, yakwazi ukumsolidify ukuthi okay, ucoach okwaziyo ukuwina. So I mean, i-confidence ne-discipline, ngikhumbula ku-interview yakhe athi uyena badlalela uku-attack isikhathi esiningi because bayi-team enkulu i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, i-new era, well, abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi i-new era, but it's not a new era, because lama coaches lawa khona ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje, ama-assistant coaches lawa bathe azoqeda i-season, abuya kuphi, ku-system ka-Coach Nabi, bafundiswa uCoach Nabi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga bakwazi ukuba ama-head coach. Lucky enough manje bathola opportunity enkulu ukuthi ba-coach one of the biggest teams on the African continent, which is i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, from the beginning bafethu, efika laphana uCoach Nabi already bekune-chaos, efika pre-season chaos, ama-key signings afika late, fitness level, decision making poor. Coach Nabi under yena, I think i-Kaizer Chiefs i-create ama-chances amakhulu, bewu-number 1 if not number 2 in terms of create ama-big chances, ama-chances amaningi, but-ke yahluleka ukuwashaya lawo ma-opportunities lawo. If bebawathatha lawo ma-chances, ngabe i-Kaizer Chiefs easily ifinishele ku-top 4, top 3, but-ke they're not able to convert those opportunities to goal. Coach Nabi bezama uku-implement i-style sakhe based on i-high ku-transition ne-high pressing. Boy, I think first 20 minutes njalo uma ngimbukela uCoach Nabi, like first 10 minutes bengibona ukuthi okay, uyiphethe igame, une-system yakhe right. Kaizer Chiefs ithola igoli and then i-drop back, because Kaizer Chiefs angazi ukuthi akhona especially last season beyikora, but-ke the teams would come back or score goals, because Kaizer Chiefs beyingekho like once yakora ingathi lose i-momentum yayo laphana. So yeah, ama-struggles wa-Coach Nabi abe maningi kakhulu. So abonile ama-cracks laphana during the season. I-Kaizer Chiefs istruggle ngama-goals overall. Bheka nje ukuthi umuntu ozodlala ama-match angaka bafethu, ama-match awu-35 akhonside amagoli awu-42, kuchaza ukuthi each and every game Kaizer Chiefs i-expected ukuthi izokhonsida, mayizohluleka ukukora-ke seyidliwe. So bokunzima kakhulu under uCoach Nabi overall. So inconsistency obviously-ke into abangayiblame kakhulu, but-ke I mean babe na one of the biggest wins of the season laphana bashaya i-Orlando Pirates ku-Nedbank Cup. That was very sweet for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean even ama-fans wakhona bewasho ukuthi hayi sesingam-overlook-a uNabi ukuthi akaphefomanga kahle because he was able to bring i-Nedbank Cup. But a week before lapho badlala ne-Orlando Pirates eSoccer City, guess what? Orlando Pirates dominated the game. They could have easily scored more goals, the Orlando Pirates, but they could not. Or no, they couldn't. But yeah, i-game ebeyinzima, but ku-final something they switch on nje, bokuyi-final yabo. Beyibhale ezulwini ukuthi yabo, but yeah, overall ucoach Nabi bafethu azange abe nesikhathi esi-right. Asikhulume iqiniso. Masibheka ama-stats wakhe, hhayi azange abe right. Sikhumbule ukuthi ucoach Nabi mefika laphana kwahamba ama-senior players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or asisho ukuthi behambiswa ucoach Nabi ngoba ucoach Nabi bezofika. I think ubani u-Itu Khune nabo-Dolly, I think then uDolly behamba just before ucoach Nabi afike or a-announce-wa. Baqala ngama-players like a-different azo-leader laphana, but still man, as ama-forwards we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-consider amagoli ayi-32, bashawa awu-42 amagoli, bakora awu-39 nje kuphela. That's just not good enough for ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs because they always want more. But komunye umuntu angasho ukuthi i-cup leli ucoach Nabi alwinile, i-Nedbank Cup, alikwazanga ukumsiza ukuthi asave umsebenzi wakhe overall because bekumele kube yilo amangala ukuthi okay, you guys haven't won a cup in so many years. I came and I won this competition. So what do you guys say? Because I can build from the momentum. But unfortunately azange uyithola leyo opportunity leyo ukuthi still kwazile ukwina icup, but kathola i-second season efull laphana because the trust was broken between i-Kaizer Chiefs no-coach Nabi overall. Mutual agreement basho kanjalo, but guess what? There's something juicy inside ama-statement lawa abawakhiphayo basibonisa wona, cause I mean maningi ama-complications between ucoach Nabi ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Bewareportiwe kuthiwa abakhulumisani. Why? Cause ucoach Nabi phela wenza ngathi wazi kakhulu yena akaphikiswa-ke. So maybe they felt some type of a way ukuthi okay, we can't have a coach othi une-authority engaka, but ekhona izinto angababonisi zona overall in terms of like ama-performances wakhe wama-player. He had to inspire the players to greater heights. At the same time, into esingayiblame laphana bafethu noma esingayigxeka, ucoach Nabi bekune-disconnect between yena nama-player. Ama-player wageja nje i-clear chance, uyakusubstitute same time, kwaba ne-mistake uyakusubstitute. So siyethemba ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukwenza kangcono under ama-co-coaches, yenze ngcono better than uNabi.